What's up, online shoppers? If you like smoothies, you're gonna want to pay attention to this next unboxing. This is the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus. It's a great go-to blender for frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. Let's open up the box and see what you get. A box within a box. At least you know it comes well packed. Instructions, and as always, a great book that's a manual and recipes all in one. This is how it comes, all packed. One of the reasons that I purchased this is it comes with 1, 2, 3 smoothie cups, which I think is fantastic. And each one of these smoothie cups gets its own lid, so that once you've blended right in the cup, you just pop the lid on and you have a smoothie cup to go. And here is the base. Pretty straightforward. You've got a decent length on a power cord here. I'll show you how long it is. That's always one of the things that I think about when I'm purchasing. So it's not super long, but I'm gonna plug it into an outlet that's right up on my counter, so that's okay. Inside the blender, you see there's this rubber gear, and this is going to interconnect with the rubber gear that's on here. So here is the chopping or blending part. It's got some really nice sharp blades here, so you want to be careful with that. When you are making your smoothie, of course, you're going to put your ingredients in here, fill it up, close it this way. Now, the unique thing about the Nutri-Blender Plus is that they don't have an operation button here on the front. Maybe you noticed that. This is what they do instead. When you place the cup onto the blender, there are the little prongs that I showed you right here, and they are spring-loaded. See how they move? When you have this loaded with ingredients and this plugged in, this is how you turn the blender on. You actually use pressure to turn it on. Instead of having a button to fidget with here, you literally are just pushing down with your hand to get the desired consistency of whatever it is that you are blending in here. Now, as far as the specifics, this is a 900 watt base right here, which means you've got a really powerful blender to make your smoothies. The blades themselves are called Ninja's Pro Extractor Blades, and they are definitely suited for ice, frozen fruit, and anything else you want to throw at it. The other great thing is this little booklet here has 20 prepared recipes for you, so you don't even have to worry about having a stump in creativity, because all you have to do is purchase the blender, open up the book, and then go shopping. The other great thing is that all of these parts, except for, of course, the blender base, can get thrown in the dishwasher. And personally, I love that I have 3 smoothie cups, because if I'm making a smoothie and my husband's making a smoothie, I don't have to wait for his to be done before I can make mine. And then we just put on the lid, twist it, and I've got my own smoothie to go travel cup. Definitely a positive. If you are looking to pick up a blender to make smoothies and to make sauces, this Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus is definitely an awesome option to consider. Super easy to operate. 3 smoothie cups. Can't get any better than that. This one here is definitely going to be a family favorite at our house.